Welcome to AK Tutorials Mathematics Solution. Today we are going to learn about perimeters of flat surface. First of all, we'll learn about what is perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the edges of a shape. We can also say that perimeter is the actual length of the boundary. Perimeter of a square. A square is a four-sided figure whose all sides are equal. So, perimeter of a square is equals to 4 multiplied by the length of the side. Perimeter of rectangle. A rectangle is a four-sided figure whose opposite sides are equal. That is, it has two length and two breadth. So, perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 multiplied by the sum of length and breadth. Perimeter of a triangle. A triangle is a three-sided figure whose all three sides may or may not be equal. So, perimeter of a triangle equals to sum of all the three sides, that is, side 1 plus the length of side 2 plus the length of side 3. Perimeter of a circle. Before knowing about the perimeter of a circle, we need to know about its part. Radius. It is the line drawn from the center and touches the boundary of the circle. So, perimeter of a circle is equals to 2 pi r, where pi represents 22 by 7. That is 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by the length of the radius of the circle.